Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $300 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $300, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. SJRC F7 Pro Drone 4K. The 3-axis pan-tilt lens is equipped with a wide-angle 4K high-definition Wi-Fi, which can adjust the shooting angle of the front camera on the remote control. The 3-axis pan-tilt makes the aircraft shooting video clearer and more stable, and the angle makes the field of vision wider. With the built-in computer, the image transmission is actually 3 km in barrier-free environment, and the long-distance image transmission increases consumers' sense of experience and vision. Precise positioning, with GPS precise positioning, can achieve 1 key return, no signal return, low power return, avoid flying loss. Ultra-long endurance 11.1 V 2600 mAh lithium battery, with an endurance of about 29 minutes, increases the sense of flight experience. Custom route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. Intelligent follow, surround flight, palm control, map real-time positioning, UF, out of control map, route planning, app mobile phone control, 1-button return, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, automatic switching optical flow, GPS, brushless motor, provide more power. Number 2. New S155 Pro GPS Drone. The obstacle avoidance model has added 360 degrees obstacle avoidance function and 4-sided obstacle avoidance function, GPS mode and optical flow mode, dual mode 5G relay with 6 channels and gyroscope, brushless motor, stable flight, easy operation, 8K high definition photography. The body can be inserted with a storage card paired with a 3-axis gimbal. The front lens can be adjusted for multiple angles through the remote control, providing a more comprehensive viewing experience. Can carry a load of 5. Number 3. Zacuto CFLY Faith2 Pro Drone. With foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. Optical flow positioning. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 4K photos, with real-time transmission. 4K HD camera gimbal. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Altitude hold mode. In altitude hold mode, the drone maintains a consistent altitude while allowing roll. Pit. Number 4. Emax original Tinyhawk 3 Plus drone. Embark on the future of outdoor FPV quadcopters with the all-new Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle, tailor-made for those ready to embrace the excitement of outdoor drone flights. Engineered for precision and extended airtime, the Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle features a high-performance 12,025 7000 kV motor, meticulously calibrated to optimize RPM and ensure maximum efficiency. Coupled with the Avan Rush 2.5-inch propellers, it delivers exceptional grip and thrust, offering a versatile and exhilarating flying experience. Crafted from an upgraded aerospace-grade 3K woven carbon fiber blend, durability reaches new heights. This advanced blend ensures the Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle can confidently endure high-impact situations while maintaining its lightweight agility. The frame proudly displays an eye-catching designer pattern, setting it apart with its unique charm. With increased transmission power, the Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle punches through interference and obstacles with ease. You'll experience a more robust signal, allowing you to fly with confidence even in challenging environments. Our engineers have fine-tuned the analog system to optimize signal strength while maintaining stability, so you can focus on your flight without worrying about signal dropouts. The Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle HD version features our groundbreaking HD0 video transmission system, setting a new standard for clarity and precision. This system ensures that every detail of your flight is captured in stunning high-definition quality. Say goodbye to low-quality feeds and immerse yourself in the crystal-clear visuals that HD0 delivers. Alongside the Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle HD version, we proudly unveil the Remigin Transporter 2 HD FPV goggle. It features a detachable screen that can be paired with our brand new E8 transmitter, providing a fully customizable flying experience tailored to your preferences. Equipped with a powerful receiver, the Transporter 2 HD ensures a pristine high-definition video feed, delivering the clearest visuals possible. And with the built-in DVR, you can capture your FPV flights in stunning HD, review them, or share your exhilarating flight footage with others. Taking control to the next level, the E8 transmitter, featuring high-quality gimbals, guarantees unmatched precision and smoothness, raising the bar for drone control. The E8 transmitter is the perfect companion for the Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle, offering an exceptional flying experience with its cutting-edge ELRS, Express LRS, transmitter protocol. ELRS is renowned for its low latency and rock-solid signal reliability, ensuring that your commands are executed with lightning-fast responsiveness. For those seeking even more power and agility, we're excited to introduce a separate 3 inches frame option, available for purchase. This upgrade allows you to transform your Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle into a high-performance powerhouse, ready to tackle more demanding flights with ease. In the realm of outdoor drones, the Tinyhawk 3 Plus Freestyle stands as a beacon of performance and FPV immersion, unrivaled in its class. Number 5. Bexine CZ09 Max GPS Drone. Before taking off, make sure your craft has undergone a proper pre-flight check, including battery level, craft structure and controller status. Find an open space, no obstacles and away from the crowd, for safe initial control practice. Beginners should first learn the basic control skills, including takeoff, landing, ascent, descent, left turn, right turn and other basic movements. Beginners should try to control the flight altitude, avoid flying the aircraft too high, so as to avoid accidents due to unfamiliar control. Pay attention to the flight environment and weather conditions, especially the wind and other factors. Avoid flying in bad weather or windy conditions. When using the camera, you should move the camera as slowly as possible to achieve a more stable picture effect. Professionals may consider upgrading and improving the hardware and software of the aircraft to get better performance.